Want to control your phone settings using Gemini on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? Let me show you how. First, open the Gemini app on your Samsung device. Make sure Utilities is enabled in Gemini. If you're not sure, tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Then go to Connected Apps. Scroll down and find Utilities. You'll see a switch next to it. If the switch is gray, tap it to enable. The switch will turn blue. This means Utilities is now enabled. Now, go back to the main screen. Tap the message box. Type a simple command like, turn on Wi-Fi. Then tap Send. Gemini will process your request and change the setting automatically. You can also control other settings. For example, turn on Bluetooth or turn on flashlight. This makes it faster and easier to manage your phone. And that's how to control your phone settings using Gemini on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra.